So each model has 6 simple elements so that you can follow along easily. First is the concept. I'm gonna have a quick explanation of the core idea of what we're talking about. Then the second is the scenario. We're gonna create a real world situation for a home services business like yours and what you face. And then the third is we're gonna do a live example. This is where I'm gonna talk to an AI agent to handle that specific scenario based on pre-built agents. And then the fourth is the demo where I will break down how we built the AI agent step by step to get to the outcome. And then we're gonna talk about evaluations, which is how we check that the agent is actually performing the task we give it correctly. And then the last is the takeaway and assignment. So this is a clear, practical next step you can try yourself. And this structure is all designed with you in mind to make sure that the course is predictable, easy to follow, and more importantly, useful for your business to put money in your pocket.